Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to download iPadOS 17. Okay, so I have an iPad Pro 12.5 inch, 12.9 inch, 5th generation, so I don't know what other iPads are compatible. So if your iPad is, let's hope so. So let's start by opening up Safari and going to developer.apple.com, Apple developer, right there. Here we go. Now we can just click on iPad OS, download. I'm going to sign in with my Apple ID. Okay, now once I sign into Apple developer, trust. Okay, now we have iPadOS 17 Beta 2. By the time we are here, you will see this is the developer mode. This is the dev beta. The public one comes out in July. So from here, you need to log in with the same Apple ID so that you have as your developer. So Aadi and then Aadi. There we go. They match right there. So now I can go to software updates, general software update, and you will see this little tab called beta sections. Normally it will be off, then you just tap iPadOS 17 developer beta. And then your Apple ID will be right here, and then there we go. Or instead of going through all of that miserable pain, you can just go to betaprofiles.dev. So again, here we go, betaprofiles.dev. And scroll down and download iPadOS 17. Done. Easy. So this is the WWDC section. So for developers, we still have iPad 16.3. But the public will be released sometime in July. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. In the comments, you can share a photo or a photo of your customized lock screen. This is my customized lock screen. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. See you. Anyway, this is a picture of my lock screen. Put a picture of your lock screen in the comments below.